Hello! Welcome to my new video. It's been quiet for a while, but we're back and with a new name for the channel. During the summer months I always take a break from making videos. Because when the sun starts shining I prefer to be outside than inside behind the computer screen. But as soon as the temperature drops again, I start crawling behind the Atari again, full of new ideas. Only this year I will start getting sick at that time, which is why it took longer before I could start with making videos again. But when you're sick, you do have time to think about all kinds of things. That's how I thought about this YouTube channel, and that the name actually doesn't quite cover it anymore. I started this channel for my build projects with retro electronics. But because I'm a big Atari fan, almost all videos were about projects with Atari systems. And over time, more and more videos were also made that were no longer about building things. I also like to make videos about new Atari projects and some Atari history. Then the name Build Stuff doesn't really fit anymore. That's why I decided to make this channel a dedicated Atari channel and cover this also in the name. So the new name is now Gespy's Atari Stuff. But it doesn't mean that there won't be a sidestep every now and then. For example, I once made a video about the Nintendo NES, but seen through Atari classes. And those kind of videos I want to continue making in the future. There still will be videos about build projects, but maybe a little less than usual. In the past I felt sometimes pressure on build projects to finish them quickly for the video. I will now take some more time for them. And that also benefits the quality. So, new Atari videos can be expected soon. I'm really looking forward to it. But for now, thank you for watching and see you at the first Gespy's Atari Stuff video. Bye!